Hi, my name is Romanus, Junior, and I'm here to face the fans on MX24. Here to show you, say, yeah, I made them call me the dancehall comedian. They don't know. Man, I say, fire can't cool. We are going to meet up, mash up. Please don't be hard on me, okay? Me, ever. I didn't have anything, man. I didn't know what comedy was. Kai, I wanted to be a bank manager or some accountant to be holding briefcase. But then the God of miracles, signs and wonders said, my son, I have called you for this. So I met comedy along the way and I haven't regretted. That's my style. It's called a Rambo style. Yeah, and the personality. So it makes me unique about the things I do, the style I present my jokes, and how I also, that one, yeah. What's challenging? It's the fact that you don't know the audience you're facing. You have a mixed audience. You don't know who is sad, who is happy, who will receive your joke, who won't receive, who just got broken-hearted, who just got ejected from the home, who just got told that you have cancer, go and die, who just got AIDS, who just lost an election. But inspiration, I get a lot from God, and then the other comedians around me and some foreign comedians. Yeah, I don't want to mention names, but yeah. Okay, I think we lack financing. And we lack avenues for our performances. We would love to tour, go to other regions, but then facilities are not available, so it limits the shows and the venues to stage. So we need these two, and I think we need more comedians. We need more comedians, especially females. I think we'll be going to South Africa to represent Ghana in the Delphic Comedy Championship, which I came fourth. That was like some 2-3 years ago. Some years back. I think so, yeah. A celebrity in Ghana. They are fine. They are fine. I like them all. I love them all. I want them all. Man, a polygamist. Like, you know what vibe? Just wink. Yeah. Hey, it was a. See, that's how the devil got Eve. Like, so I used to say, oh yeah, but it's a normal. Hey, what's up? And then we take it from there. Yeah. I will address the nation. What's the first thing I'll do as a president? I think I will. That's a tough one. I have a lot I would want to do for this country. But if I'm given the opportunity to be the president, the first thing I'll do is to build 88 hospitals. Bathing. Hey, you never tire me for bathing. You don't say a man needs to bath. I'll stop bathing for the rest of my life. Bathing first, and then what else? Asa. Osi obi akono die ni odomponsuno. Se wo pedi asunson a media mi pedi chincham. Oh, mind your own business. Se wo be shia shi. Se wo be boabu. Ni nyina siwa. Yesi mintu line back so me to full song. Yes, meant to line back so me to full song. Ejo nyankopon, ono ne nyankonton. Wama wen wonyam ti enkonkoton. Di ule mu, mame su mindi midiye mu. Ach. Sa. Hey, it will be a Nathaniel Bassey song. Remix the song. But it will be Nathaniel Bassey's I Have No Other God But You. Hey, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Still, you are doing it. It's not like we shun the do, but we are doing it. Because love now is blind. I don't want to pay Jimmy. But the craziest thing I did for a lady, I don't want her to know I did it for her. I actually walked from Circle to Soto. I wasn't just walking, I was pushing my car because my petrol was out. And I think that time, that petrol kind of almost had a filling station, you had to go. So I pushed the car by the road. I do fear, I'm a sunny, I'm a breaky, sir. Before Panama said, so I got to her place and I got a gallon to get. Now, my name is Kamikram, I'm parking, so I'm pay taxi. But that's kind of come here limited. Yeah, call Jamie. Hey, Mama can't be here. After all this, she said she wanted to be an astronaut. So I gave her space. Hey. There are a lot of things in the pipeline which I think very soon will be coming, like they'll be hearing about, and they'll be excited about them. Trust me. Yep. Me, as I sit here. I don't know what they don't know. This is me. What you see is what you get. You know what I mean? I don't think I'm hiding anything. I've said almost everything everywhere. I love God, I love Samini, I love comedy, I love acting. I played the faith. Hey, I plead the fifth with the which one will I smash? Fantana, Sister Fia, and she. Me, I'll smash or Mario Paso. But smashing there is good, so I'll smash or Mario. I'm a man of polygamist, you know. Mario. When I marry them, I pass by them. So.
Because back in the days, before you could produce a hit song, you had to hold your nose. Yeah, so you hear songs like Teng Teng Bing a Dee Man. Yes, you hear La Da La Da La Da La Da. Our Lord Jesus is our brother. Follow.
Yeah, so me tell you, say, Fire Kianko. My name is Foster Romanus. I may face the fans on MX24. You don't know, dancehall comedian, me say so, Rambo style. Where my nigga Debra be farming. Now drink baby no be good for my head oh. Bugger pan and at your pressure me. Minya bibia no a thing just to cool down my head oh. Suro nipa jai samai. Nipa timi sumtum meka mejanai. Waka pepa na no we sia shede bisa senwai. Aswan kebi so no kan ye dikain. Mede mi do ma kwesi. Sewo mesi daina dachi bi mesa mechi ma be fie ma betina. Me ba ya na kwesi. Wadi misika na wari ba ya geti. Ajay makumoy. Obrayo kuoy. I can't believe say I can't mean kuoy. Abana sa. Mama ya what? Pesa me ko kromu so when shit me oh. Yeah. Ach. Sa.